Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to cancel subscriptions on an iPhone. So if you want to cancel your subscriptions for a specific app or you just want to cancel all of them, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. But first things first, you want to head over to the settings app. So just go ahead and find settings and you'll be brought to this page here. And once you're on this page, you actually want to look for your Apple ID. As you can see, mine is Tubasa Tech. You want to find that, and once you find it, you want to go ahead and click on it. It'll bring you to this page here, Apple ID, and once you are on this page, from here, you want to look for the option subscriptions, as you can see right here. Now, once you find that, you're going to want to go ahead and click on it, and then it will load for a bit. And depending on how fast you're into it, it might take a little bit of time. But once it loads, it'll show all the subscriptions that you currently have, as you can see here. Now, to cancel a subscription, it's very easy. It shows the inactive subscriptions, as you can see here. It shows all the active subscriptions that you have. To cancel one, you just have to choose the one that you want to cancel. And once you choose it, you're going to want to click cancel subscription right below the app. So if I click on cancel subscription, it's going to ask if I want to confirm cancellation. If you confirm and end your subscription now, you can still access it until November 4th, 2023. So it shows when the subscription will end, and if you cancel it right now, it will go until your subscription actually ends. But if you still want to confirm that you want to cancel it, just click confirm, and then it will load for a bit, and then it will cancel your subscription, as you can see here. And it'll ask if you want, and there will be a button here that says you can renew it for $4.99 a year, or depending on how much the subscription costs for you, it'll change that to that amount. But if you go back, it will still be in the subscriptions, as you can see here, but it won't show the number that it's going to cost when it renews because you canceled it. So that is how you cancel a subscription on iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.